Okay, we're coming into, today is Thursday, July 25th, 2019. Looking at the open, waiting for 8 o'clock. About 3 minutes away, I'll be back in a couple. Alright, we're up against the high. You see it up there at 56.90 right now, highest high a day. I don't want to just jump in against the high a day because kind of want to jump in, but I want to see what the initial reaction at 8 o'clock is right now, because it might look down just a bit and then go up against that high. Let's be patient here, or a little bit patienter. 8 o'clock. Volume is blue on the blue side. $56.89. First down target is 64. $39 is 2, and that's coming into pivot. And then there's 3 at 14. Go ahead and protect break even here. See a quick run here. See if we can get it. Low of yesterday was figure out where that low was yesterday. That was previous. Low was 33. Gann 45-degree angle is 55.53. That could possibly go to 55.64 on 5. So for now, we're going to go after 55.64, but we recognize where 3P is there too. 64. We'll go after 65. Looking at these blue bars right now. This could be all she wrote to the short, and it comes up from here. So that's why I'm protecting. I want to see a continuation move. Could just be an up day today, so let's be cautious. All right, let's go ahead and protect 2. Call it 3 now. Made it down to 1p, but not through. To it, not through it. See if we can get a trending day on Thursday. Next down target, we're looking for the market to get down towards pivot. Hopefully it has some momentum to carry it. Go ahead and lock in. I'm going to lock in 5 here. Looking for high red bar volume to stop the down. Alright, this is just boring. Let me pause the video. Either we get knocked out or it goes to 2p. Be back. Alright, it's trying to break through. Let's see if it does. How hard it breaks through. Pivot point today is located at 56.29. Next down target is 39. Trying to catch the blue. I'm hoping that we get at least down to pivot before any kind of reversal. Trying to use yesterday's momentum of a sell-off into today. What am I talking about? Let's look at the hourly chart so you see kind of what we're looking at. You can see all the red bars that happened after I cut done trading, obviously. You know, it was so close to going short on the day if there wasn't for one bar. That bar was initially looked blue, and I mean, if you look at the recording, I actually said looks like a blue bar, and then at the last moment it turns red. That would have had me looking at short side yesterday, and maybe I'd have caught it, maybe not. I don't know, but I certainly like to thought I was on the right side of the market, but it didn't work out that way. We can see where, maybe this is a better chart to keep up here, right here to the side, so we can keep track of. Where you can see the that nice red bar that we have in this hour so far. Got 212 at 46. There's 46. What's is it? It's eating it up. Good. Let's see if we can run here. Next down target is 39. And we'll get lucky today. $194 at 56 on the way up. If we get down towards pivot. 39 is a 2p move. Get that out of the way for now. To it, not through it. Just adjusting my stop. Looking for high red bar volume. I don't see it yet. And there's the pivot point. And there's our 3P target at 14. I don't see stopping volume here on the down yet. So hopefully we can stay this up move, be a fake out, and we'll head on down here. Let's think about what we're going to be doing here. If we get down to 14, we'll be protecting 24. We'll be protecting basically the pivot point at that point. Let's hope we can run the pivot today. Get a little PPM action, pivot point magnetism. Definitely ran to it. Now see if we can get through it. Get down through pivot now. It's enough of an up. Let's go down and see pivot. See what's there. Well, we visited the high today. Let's see if we can go visit the low. Going to pause here. Either it's going to run us out or go to pivot, be back. Okay, I'm locking in 20 ticks now to 69. See if it's either going to break down here or it's going to stop here and come up. So might as well protect at least something. Hopefully it breaks for us, comes on down. Kind of controlled movement down though. It's kind of spooking me. I mean, this honestly might be all the down we get today. Just never know what the powers to be want to do with it. $148 at 50. So if we get to 3P, we'll be protecting roughly at pivot, around 28 or so. And what I'm hoping for is a quick fall. So I'll go ahead and move down here, closing in on the 200 bar line. We finally did go through a 2P target right there. We were to it but not through it previous. Now we're through. See if we can get through pivot here. Okay, I want to be right on the blue line right now. In case we bounce off a pivot. Looking at this right here, plus 3 is 61. Plus 5 is 63. We'll hold 63 for now. So at least until we get through pivot. 50 ticks on the table right now. Let's go ahead and, I hate doing this, but you got to do it. Just in case it's going to bounce off a pivot. 39 plus 10 is 49. Okay, I got 50 ticks right there. I'm going to take it. It's not running. Might be 49. I think that's 50 at 39. It's a good, that's a 2P target, didn't run 3. I'm going to take it. Could go a lot lower, but you know what? That's for the second contract, which I'm not trading. To 204 at 29. Expecting a bounce at pivot. Hopefully we'll just run through it like knife through hot butter, whatever it's called. $197 at 29. We'll hold 39 until 14. We got locked in 50 ticks right now. I'm good with that. Open is designed to take 2P. We're right at 2P today. I mean, this could be the low, swing low right now, and it goes up to new highs too. So let's not be stupid. See what happens at 29. I'm out. Plus 50 though, that's not bad. Honestly, the only way that I could stay in this trade right now is if I had a trailer. And honestly, I don't believe TopStepTrader is really designed to. I mean, some guys are really good at multiple contracts. I'm not. But if you are multiple contracts, you probably should be looking at their 100K and 150K. What kind of worries me about the 50K account is the 1,000 weekly loss. I mean, obviously this may or may not be the low, but you know, 50 ticks after losing 32 yesterday. What did I tell you about? If I can keep myself controlled, then I can always make it up the next day. And the next day might be more beneficial, trendy. It's not real trendy right now. Honestly, I think if the market wanted to fall, it would have fallen a lot further and faster off the open. So the odds of it being a temporary low right there where we are seeing are pretty high right now. And once again, this open strategy is designed for a 2P target. We took the 2P today. It so happened to be 50 ticks as well. So, you know, hey, I know it's $500 less commission cost, so it's like 497 something. 496 something, I guess. Really, 496. Is that right? 496.30. Gonna have to get my calculator out here. 500 minus 370. Yeah, 496.30. I'm good with this. I'm good with the 50 tick day on one trade. One trade win, 50 ticks. And we might be seeing, you know, you're obviously taking the shot that it's going to continue to move down. But it's been as I talk about, it's been a controlled down move. It really hasn't, we haven't seen lots of big bars coming down yet. Even though it's showing red, even on the 10-minute chart, it just moved back into this range right in here, where there might be some demand right in here, right above the pivot. We might have hit the low of this, and it's going to go back up to here and make a new high. Just never know what the powers to be want to do with the market. And we had a gift horse in the looking in the mouth right there at plus 50. So obviously I'd like to have the plus 75 at 3p. So, but the opportunity cost of not taking that when it was available is too great for me. So now how I stay out of extra trades is I pretend I have that second trade on and I'm running with my trailer, the runner. That's about the only way I can stay away from trading on a day like today. So what I'm going to do is pause the video here and we'll talk about the trailer part of the trade after it's all said and done. Now, with that being said, right now I would probably recommend about right here. So we'd be right on top of this right now, maybe one tick at 59. Or is that 69? Well, I can't even see. I'm getting blind. So at this point in time, that's roughly where I would have the trailer, my runner, protecting around that 59. That would be get you 30 ticks, right? 79, 69. Yeah, I'll get you 30 ticks on the second one. All right, pausing here until we do anything. Either runs the trailer out, the runner out, or we continue to move on down. We're going to try to use the blue bar, 200 bar MA, on the runner. All right, so we're closing in on where I said before was 59. Let's see if it holds. We never did run a 3P target yet. We got this low right here. We could measure this just to double check. 50 be 60, so we'll hold 61. 61. Lowest low right here. 50. 10 ticks higher, 60, 61. That's it. And this is the trailer runner. It's not something I would want to give up though on one contract. So I'm feeling pretty good about getting out at plus 50 right now. I haven't seen any re-entry side of the trade either. We'll talk about that later as well. See how this plays out. Alright, so 23 is the new low. Comes up to here. 39.49. I would recommend no more than 54 though. Use this. Three ticks higher than 54 is 57. That's where I'd be holding right now. We never have made a 3P target yet. 3P target once again is 14, 57.14, or 56.14. We have not run that yet. You bet. All right, this will do it for this trade. See the high blue bar volume here. This might be the end of the up move, and then down it goes. But as far as holding a trade, this is where I would have exited between 57 and 59. So I guess we'll air to 59. So that'll be a 30 tick move on the trailer. Alright, that's going to do it for today, or at least for this video. Let me rephrase that. That's going to do it for this video right now. So one contract win today, plus 50 ticks. The market did not go 3P during trade. Doesn't mean it won't. But, and the trailer's off too. You got to put a line in the sand sometime, somewhere. And right now the market is making a move 1, 2, and that was the third move up. So this could be all she wrote to the down right now. Talk to you later. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Today, once again, was July 25th, Thursday, July 25th, 2019. Ended up plus 50 ticks overall. See you on the next video I put together. Bye.